What if I told you that 4 of the most expensive electric trucks and SUVs on the market right now, vehicles spanning a price gap of nearly $75,000 from cheapest to most expensive, are secretly built on the exact same skeleton, in the exact same factory, by the exact same robots, and the only real difference is how much leather and badge prestige General Motors decided to wrap around that skeleton before handing you the bill? The luxury truck marketing machine does not want you comparing these 4 vehicles side by side, because the moment you do, you realize you're paying for a nameplate, not an engineering advantage. But the people who actually know, the fleet managers, the technicians tearing these things apart at Factory Zero in Detroit-Hamtramck, the engineers who built the BT1 platform from scratch, they've known from day one that these are the same truck wearing 4 different outfits. Here's what most people miss. The vehicle sitting at number 1 on this list shares its battery pack, its 800-volt charging architecture, its Ultium drive motors, its adaptive air suspension, and even its diagonal driving technology with a truck that costs nearly half as much. And the entry at number 2 has been quietly hiding the best range number in the entire electric pickup segment, while everyone else fights over horsepower bragging rights. Those are the 2 that should keep you watching until the end. Hit that subscribe button, because every week we post videos that cut through the marketing noise and show luxury truck and SUV shoppers exactly where their money is really going. Here are 4 luxury EV trucks that are secretly all the same car, ranked from overpriced to absolutely highway robbery. Number 4. The GMC Hummer EV, the 1,000-horsepower showpiece that started the whole charade. This is where GM's BT1 platform made its public debut. Production kicked off at Factory Zero back in late 2021, making the Hummer E5 the first vehicle to roll off this $2.2 billion assembly line, the single largest plant investment in General Motors history. It arrived with 3 electric motors in its top 3X configuration, a combined output of 1,000 horsepower, and a starting price that now sits near $100,000 before you even touch the options sheet. The engineers confirm it. Under that aggressive military-inspired body, you're looking at the same Ultium battery modules, the same 800-volt architecture capable of 350 kilowatt DC fast charging, and the same 4-wheel steering system that every other truck on this list uses. The Hummer EV calls it crab walk, turning all 4 wheels up to 10 degrees so the truck moves diagonally. It sounds exotic until you learn that GMC offered 4-wheel steering on the Sierra pickup back in 2002 through 2005 under the name Quadra-Steer. This is not new. What is new is that GM charges you $100,000 for a truck that maxes out around 300 to 380 miles of range, the lowest number on this entire list, and tows up to 12,000 pounds, which the Silverado EV matches for thousands less. The testing backs this up. Here's how to actually use this information. If you're cross-shopping in this segment, know that the Hummer EV is the least efficient use of the BT1 platform dollar for dollar. It gets overlooked as a comparison because GM positioned it as a standalone brand revival, not as a platform sibling. But the platform doesn't care about branding, and the truck probably sitting on the lot next to it at your GMC dealer shares every major system under the skin. Number 3. The Cadillac Escalade IQ, the $130,000 badge that rides on a $56,000 foundation. The Escalade IQ started arriving in dealerships in December 2024 with a base price of $129,990 for the Luxury 1 trim, stretching to $150,490 for the Sport 2. That is the most expensive vehicle on the BT1 platform by a massive margin. What does that premium buy you? A pair of Ultium drive motors producing 680 horsepower in normal mode and 750 horsepower in Velocity Max mode, a 24-module battery pack rated at 205 kilowatt-hours delivering 450 miles of range, and the exact same adaptive air suspension and 800-volt charging system found in every other truck on this list. The teardowns confirm it. Underneath the Escalade IQ's designer bodywork, credited to Robin Krieg, sits the BT1 platform's structural frame with double-stacked Ultium battery modules, the same ones manufactured by the Ultium Cells joint venture between GM and LG Energy Solution at plants in Ohio and Tennessee. Here's how to actually use this knowledge. If you want the Escalade IQ's range and power output, the Sierra EV Denali Max range delivers 754 horsepower and 460 miles of range for about $50,000 less. The Escalade IQ escapes scrutiny because Cadillac buyers aren't typically cross-shopping at GMC dealerships. That's by design. GM sells these at different dealers to different audiences specifically so you never line up the spec sheets. But you just did. And the truck that makes the Escalade IQ look like the most expensive rebadge in automotive history is probably available at a dealership 10 minutes from where you're sitting right now. If you're starting to see the pattern, if you're realizing that General Motors built one incredible electric truck platform and then figured out 4 different ways to charge you for it, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps this reach people who are shopping smart in the luxury truck segment and refusing to pay for a badge. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you belong here. Number 2, the GMC Sierra EV. The quiet range king that has been outperforming its siblings for thousands less. The Sierra EV was introduced in October 2022 and went on sale to retail customers in early 2024. GMC initially launched it exclusively as the Denali Edition 1 trim at over $100,000, which was a mistake that buried its real value. For 2025, the lineup expanded to 3 trims: the Elevation base model, the AT4 off-road variant, and the Denali, with pricing starting at $62,400. The numbers don't lie. In Denali Max range configuration, the Sierra E5 delivers an estimated 460 miles of range and 754 horsepower, the highest range figure of any electric pickup on this list, and power that matches the Silverado EV's top output exactly. It tows up to 10,000 pounds, shares the crab walk diagonal driving system with the Hummer EV, offers the same mid-gate feature that folds down the rear cabin wall to extend bed length from just under 6 feet to nearly 11 feet with the tailgate down, and charges on the identical 800-volt Ultium architecture. Every pro who's driven this platform back-to-back knows it. Here's how to actually use it. If you want a luxury electric truck with real range and refinement, the Sierra EV Denali delivers the Escalade IQ experience in a pickup body for roughly $67,000 less. It even sits on the same factory floor at Factory Zero, assembled by the same workers. The reason it gets overlooked is that GM launched it at the wrong price and poisoned first impressions. The corrected 2025 lineup is one of the strongest values in the electric truck market, and it's probably sitting on a GMC lot near you right now with zero attention. Number 1. The Chevrolet Silverado EV. The $56,000 truck that quietly carries the same bones as the $150,000 Escalade IQ. This is the one that should make every luxury EV truck buyer pause. The Silverado EV starts at $55,895 for the base model and tops out at $91,295 for the LT Max range. It debuted at CES in January 2022, started limited fleet production in May 2023, and began its 2026 model year production run on May 27, 2025, now including a new off-road Trail Boss trim. Every technician who works on these trucks knows it. The Silverado EV rides on the exact same BT1 platform as the Escalade IQ, the Hummer EV, and the Sierra EV. Same Ultium battery modules, same 800-volt architecture with 350 kilowatt DC fast charging, same adaptive air suspension, same bidirectional vehicle-to-home power capability. In top spec, it produces 754 horsepower and 785 pound-feet of torque, matching the Sierra E5 and coming within spitting distance of the Escalade IQ's Velocity Max output. The Work Truck Max range model delivers an EPA estimated 492 miles of range when lightly loaded, the highest number on the entire BT1 platform. It tows up to 12,500 pounds, 500 more than the Hummer EV, and 2,500 more than the Sierra EV. Chevrolet calls its version of diagonal driving Sidewinder instead of crab walk, but it is the same system. Here's how to actually use it. This is the purest expression of what the BT1 platform can do without the markup. The reason it gets overlooked by luxury buyers is the bow tie on the grille. GM knows that, and they're counting on it. The Silverado EV, sitting on a Chevy lot right now, shares its engineering DNA with a truck that costs nearly 3 times as much, and the only thing separating them is which badge you're willing to be seen with in your driveway. If you made it all the way to the end, you've just learned something most people shopping for a luxury electric truck never will. 4 vehicles, 1 platform, 1 factory, and a price spread of nearly $100,000 built almost entirely on brand positioning. Smash that like button if this changed how you think about luxury EV trucks. Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you most. Team Silverado EV, Team Sierra EV, Team Escalade IQ. I read every comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'd love to have you on this journey with us. Remember, sometimes the best luxury truck isn't at the Cadillac dealer. Sometimes it's wearing a bow tie on a Chevy lot waiting for you to read the spec sheet.